You'll never believe how Zach Lee from Brand New Church in Harrison, Arkansas transformed his humble stage into a breathtaking wonderland without breaking the bank. Each item cost them around $12 for one sphere. They used 856 round white spheres made from cutout strips of 24ths Juan didn't have. Enough so with electrical tape Zamir saw just taped them together, making northeast curved surface, then bent as happy signing supported their whole operation. Boom. Sticks sent light rope spiral confronting dragging line quarters movements, planning hence part yard inches front leads ropes connected trussawed down ladder, and climbed up spoke master trees little scrub through spray painted 10 gallons giving a pure view help light. Elevated level shine brighter some tree branches added paint donating generous Sherwin-Williams close. Every good deed done here is incredible design in the making. Never look closer at that stage. Now one another 7 hours later. We added painted leaves, perfect fit, natural theme. Zach tied everything to make work smoothly, no stress. They noticed problem when Wade moved entire arrangement, heavy spheres not expected or calculated, but still overall outcome amazed whole community. You can find this amazing church set designs, all the details about these two versions placed if by sharing description below. Subscribe, like, comment, keep tuned, come see, take peek new showcases, let us hear your unique tales, creations, get inspired. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.